Hello, welcome to the JustChinait channel. I will share powerful resources about China sourcing to help you drive profitable growth. I have 11 years of buying and exporting experience, which would help you make full use of Made in China. Today we will talk about OEM and ODM, which one is best suitable for you. What is OEM? OEM stands for Original Equipment Manufacturer. This term describes a company that creates products sold to other businesses. For example, you buy complete and design finished products. Most of the time, you only ask the seller to change the product's color and packaging. What is ODM? ODM stands for Original Design Manufacturer. ODM is a company that makes products according to other companies' designs. For example, Nike might create a new design for a shoe and then give that design to ODM to make the shoes. ODM would then make the shoes according to Nike's specifications. Do you want a company that can make your product with all your required specifications? Or you only need changes on the labels and packaging? OEM service and ODM collaboration have been used for years worldwide. Cost and efficiency are the two most important advantages of OEM and ODM. You're not paying for the extra marketing and advertising costs that the manufacturer puts into its products. At the same time, instead of building your manufacturing department from scratch, you can have an existing company do the work for you and enjoy multiple benefits. Using these manufacturing models, many people have grown from small to large-scale businesses. Especially with Made in China. If you plan to establish your brand, you need to consider factors and considerations before choosing OEM or ODM. Choosing OEM and ODM manufacturers in China can be a solution for your business. Because of mass production and lower labor cost, you can benefit from what they can offer. You will need an OEM service when you wish to sell the manufacturer's own product and only need rebranding. In this model, you can only do minor customizations on the product's packaging, but you cannot modify the features. Check out the pros and cons of ODM. Pros of OEM. 1. Low production cost, high profit. OEM parts are less expensive than if the buying business or a startup created them. An OEM manufacturer can produce high volumes using their streamlined process. Their supply chain or network is extensive. They can produce high-quality products that are only priced at a low or competitive cost. As a result, you can sell the product within the market price, and your sales profits and revenue will increase. 2. Expertise and experience. OEM manufacturers that have been in business for years have a significant advantage in expertise. They know the ins and outs and the best staging process for your product. They know when to be proactive and can fix issues right away. Their years of experience servicing different clients know how to go about each specification and detail. Before you mention what you have in mind, they can suggest or recommend options. 3. Save on operational costs. Companies will save money by outsourcing their manufacturing, because they don't have to invest in machinery or industrial space. The operating expenses like raw material costs and other manufacturing expenses will be reduced if not avoided. 4. Save time. When the mass production of your product starts, you will save much time so you can create your business as soon as possible. While waiting for the product delivery, you have time to do other essential parts of the company. Cons of OEM. 1. Quantity and orders. For OEM, the manufacturer will require a minimum number of orders for the production. The price or cost may vary depending on the volume of orders. 2. No intellectual property rights. You don't have full control of the product since you are just purchasing it from the original creator. They can demand that you follow agreements when selling their product. 3. Competition and limitations. An OEM business model can create competition between other companies that buy the same product. For example, if the manufacturer sells on Amazon, they may limit you to using the same platform to avoid being banned. In some instances, some of your packaging designs and presentations can be copied by other buying companies. You don't know if the design you're using has been produced for other companies already. After talking about OEM, let's talk about ODM. Normally, only big companies, such as Apple, Nike are using ODM. As you have to design the product, it's your own product, it's much more complicated and challenging. Anyway, let's give a brief. The pros of using an original design manufacturer. 1. Cost savings. 2. Quality control. 3. Increased flexibility. 4. Faster time to market. 5. Access to specialized resources. The cons of using an original design manufacturer. 1. Limited control over the end product. 2. Potentially higher costs. 3. Reduced flexibility. 4. Longer time to market. 5. Lack of specialized resources. Use OEM or original equipment service when you're a startup or are still growing. Use ODM original design manufacturer when you can design and are big enough. Okay, that's all for today. Whether you choose OEM or ODM, you can get your brand running successfully, as long as you find the right manufacturing company. If you like this video, please help, like, and spread it, so YouTube will remember your preferences and recommend more practical videos to you. Make sure you subscribe and never miss any updates. I am John Liu, who brings you weekly powerful resources for Made in China. I will see you in the following video.